Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue, the media audio music sound not working with the Bluetooth device. So in this device, I already connected to this Bluetooth earbuds. If you go to settings, connections, you can see on the Bluetooth, it is already connected to the CMF earbuds. So let me show you how to fix the issue. The audio music, the sound is not working with the connected Bluetooth device. So here you can see one settings button at the right side of the device that we connected to our device. Tap on the option and here you can see the option audio. Now this is disabled. So this is the issue that we are not able to hear the audio music from the connected earbuds. Just enable this option. So simply in this way, we can fix the issue. The audio music or the audio sound is not working with the Bluetooth connected Bluetooth device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.